Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. So I'm in a competition, the Voice Factory, and this vlog is just to cover what has been going on this journey, so stay tuned. On my way to rehearse for the first live show. So for the first rehearsal, I am lost. I don't know where I am. I've been found. Yeah, by Ernest. Wish me luck. I don't really see my face, but yeah. Bye. So I'm headed back home. There's heavy traffic ahead. So I was unable to record my session of the rehearsal because I have to go and work here. I've booked someone for her birthday makeup. I can't disappoint her today. I didn't know that we would rehearse today, like the first rehearsal. It's a Wednesday. And this is the first rehearsal for the first live show, so I couldn't miss the rehearsal, and I can't also disappoint the client. So yeah, that's why I came, and I begged. I wasn't supposed to leave there this early, but I really begged, and yeah, it worked. So I'm going to do my work as a makeup artist. I'm very exhausted, but I'm looking pink because why not? The Lord is, our strength and our makeover. I've gotten to where I'm coming to work. I look the same or funny. I don't know, figure it out. So it's called Lefty Incorporated. This is their setup. The studio is really nice. And yeah, it smells good too. So let's see how the shoot goes. Hi. This is me. Look at my eyes. If you want to see if I'm tired, look into my eyes. Can you see white and red and black like a flag? Literally, my eyes like a flag. Can you see? If I start getting plate money and I start spending money, don't come and tell me that I have sugar daddy or lady. I chop. Tell on them my eyes why are they flag? Red, white, black. Good night. 12:48. I am now going to my house. Thanks to this birthday girl. This rehearsal was mainly a vocal training session.
If your boyfriend was like, you do this.
Yeah, just to introduce who the man is. The man teaching us, the man training us, the man coaching us, the man helping us. Our music director, vocal coach, creative arts director. His name is Nikwe. And yeah, he's really good. He's really helping us. So yeah, that's the one-on-one voice training session. Enjoy.
How it sounds now. You're not straining. Are you getting it now? So now you're working as a team. I want to hear no one should be over. Don't push it in. And
I will give you all my heart. I will give you all my heart.
stop. I'm hearing 3 voices. 1, 2, go.
I will give you all my heart. I will give you all my heart.
Finish hard. So you see how it is. Yeah.
We went on to technical rehearsal to see the stage, everything, and we also went to try our clothes on. Hi guys, so it's 9:31 and I am now headed home. I didn't really take a lot of me today, like my face, because I am tired and yeah, I just couldn't. So yeah, we have to get there tomorrow for the first live show. I think generally it was cool, but then the like stage performance rehearsal I didn't record because I need you to watch. So yeah, go and watch, yeah, and stay tuned for more updates of me on the Voice Factory. Until further notice, bye.
I'm desperate for you, and
Hi guys, so I'm Cielo, a contestant in the Voice Factory Season 5. This is me on your screen, pleading with you to please vote for me. Please keep your eyes glued to your screens. Look out for my short code. Support me, vote for me, help me win this. God bless you. Mwah.